Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove green screen backgrounds from your videos using vid.io. So I'm going to click on this video that I've uploaded right here to add it to my timeline. As you can see, it's a subscribe overlay and there's a very bright green background. So if I'd like to remove this, all I have to do is make sure that the clip is selected. That way you're going to see this edit video panel at the left hand side of your screen. And if you scroll all the way down, you're going to see an option here called green screen. And what it does is it removes a color from your background. I'm going to click on this eyedrop tool and make sure that we get the right shade of green. And as you can see, the background has changed from green to black. You can also adjust the sensitivity to make sure that you get just the right amount and smooth it out. And now you should be able to overlay this over an existing video just like so. So let's say I want to use this one. Gonna add it to my project, give it a second or two to finish loading, and I should be able to move the overlay around. So there's our video. Here's our overlay. Make sure that in the timeline, the green screen is sitting above your video, like so. And as you can see, I can move it around and I can resize it. And I can also add some transitions into the green screen overlay if I'd like. That way it just makes it a lot cleaner when it shows up. So I can add fade to white here on this clip or zoom in at this clip, or rather I want to add an animation, add a transition. I'm going to click on fade and it should fade in pretty nicely. There we go, as you can see. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.